Hello teacher, I'm going to show you the project of Unit 6 that is about treatment of animals. And for the first part, is a company that have some ideas to support the using of animals in their experiments. And it's called Ethical Principles and Guidelines for Scientific Experiments on Animals. And for the first main idea that they support, it's about they can find some drugs and treatments to improve the human health. And for the other part, there are some cons for the organization that is opposing to the idea to experiment with animals. And the first idea is the animals are killed and something, and sometimes they are in captivity. And this for the first of the organization that have secure of animals think that is a crucial treatment for the live in for the lives of the animals. Part answering the second question that says, do you agree with one organization point of view? Why or why not? I think there is some advantage and disadvantage to use animals in the medical research, because if we use a medical research, we can find some drugs or cures to using an emergency like we have now in epidemics emergency. And we have to the necessity to experiment with animals because in some ways we are similar, but I think that in some cases it's not necessary using animals because the human body is not so similar with some animals. And yeah, I think the treatment of animals sometimes is too. Project of Unit 7 that is about advertising techniques. I choose 3 techniques, and the first one is positioning statement. And the first goal of this is about that how the product can be in front of the competence and what is the product concept. For the second one, it's about find the target audience. The goal of this technique, it's about how this can be applied for some people. For example, we have to consider the gender, the age, and the taste of the people. What will be the best way to present the product of the people that the product was selected. And for the last one is consider how the brand is viewed. It is about that what logo or what brand will be for the product, what design could be for represent the product. And then I chosen some 2 examples to represent the advertising. And the first one is for the company McDonald's, and it's about a hamburger and Coca-Cola, and said use someone. And I think this advertisement use the brands, the application of brands, and the positioning statement. And for the second examples, that is chocolate that use the principal logo of the product, and also use the consider how the brand is viewed. That I choose is a watch, and I think the target audience that it will be directed, maybe it's possible for adult men and between 55 to 35 years old maybe. And the techniques that we can apply to advertising this product, maybe it's consider how can be the logo good designed, and also could be a positioning statement that we have to consider what other company are advertising this product. Thank you.